The world has lost over 420 million hectares of forest since 1990. But what if we could see that loss, measure it, and even take action? Introducing how GIS is reshaping forest conservation, and how MAPOG makes it effortless to track deforestation over time. Start by heading to story.mapog.com and click on Create New Map. Add your title, description, and even a visual, because every map begins with a story. Once your map canvas opens, head to Process Data, upload vector data under Add Upload Data and drop in your 2001 and 2022 forest cover vector files. Use the Style Layer option to assign contrasting colors, let's say light green for 2001 and dark green for 2022, so the difference speaks for itself. Now, the real magic, go to Advanced Filter, set your target layer as 2001, choose Filter by applying layer operations, select 2022 as the source, and the operation? Outside. Then hit Submit, lastly hit Publish. This reveals forest areas that existed in 2001 but were gone by 2022, your deforestation map. Style it. Rename it. Once your map is ready, head to Preview and Share. Set it to public and share your tactical vision with your team or the world. Whether you're a researcher, policymaker, or environmentalist, this map tells a powerful story. A story of loss, but also one of awareness and action. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.